Hello guys, welcome to Cozy Dadz Club. Today I'd like to show you guys how to fix kids' bike flat tires. First, you need 4 items to start. You need a patch, 15mm wrench, tire lever, and bike pump. There are 2 sides on the bike pumps. One is a Presta and the other one called the Schrader. You need Schrader side for the kids bike. Before you remove the wheel, you need to unclip the front brake holder. If you don't unclip the brake holder, the wheel won't come off. And you flip the bike upside down. Unscrew the both sides of the wheel and gently take it out. Use the tire lever to dismount only one side of the tire. And gently remove the tube. You don't really need to take off the whole tire unless there's a big cut. After that, you can put some air in the tube and try see if you can hear anything from the tube. Before putting on the patch, make sure cleaning up the surfaces of the tube. If you don't clean up the area, the patch might come off easily. Try give one good pump to avoid pinch flat while mounting. This is a very important step. Make sure you got nothing inside of the tire. You know, some thorns go through thick tires. If you skip this step, you're gonna waste your time and more tubes. Now you add a little more air and see if there's a pinch area in between the tire and the rim. If everything looks good, you can pump up the rest and finish. I recommend around 30 to 40 psi for the kids' bikes. Clip in the brake holder back in and you're done.